Today our learning target is I can find halves, fourths, and eighths of a rectangular array by dividing it into 2, 4, or 8 equal parts. When you are looking for fractional parts of a whole, the first thing you need to do is make sure you divide the whole into equal parts. Today we are going to use a 4 by 6 array to show halves, fourths, and eighths. The area of this array is 24 because 4 times 6 is 24. If I want to divide this array into halves, I could draw a line down the middle of the rectangle like this. Now this looks like half, but to be sure I need to count how many boxes are in each section. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes in this section, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes in this section. So each half has 12 boxes. Because they have the same amount, I know that I have 2 equal parts. This also tells me that 12 24ths is the same as 1 half. They are equal. So 1 half is 12 24ths. I could also draw a line down the middle of the box this way and divide it into 2 halves. And again, it looks like 2 halves, 2 equal parts. But to be sure, I want to count each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes in this section, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes in this section. I can prove by counting the boxes that each part is equal and that this is 1 half of my 24, or 1 half is equal to 12 24ths. I want to divide these arrays into fourths. I can draw a line down across the array this way and down the middle of the array this way. Now this looks like I have 4 equal parts, but to be sure, again, I want to count the boxes. I want to make sure I have the same amount of boxes in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this section. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this section. Because each section has the same amount of boxes, I know that I have 4 equal parts. This also tells me that I have 6 24ths, and that's equal to 1 fourth. And I'll shade in 1 fourth of this array. There are other ways to divide this array into fourths. As long as you have 6 boxes in each section, you will have 4 equal parts. If I want to divide this array into eighths, I could first separate it into fourths, and then cut each fourth in half, and I will have eighths. Now it looks like I have 8 equal sections, but again, to be sure, we want to make sure we have the same amount in each part. So I have 1, 2, 3 in this section, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each eighth has 3 boxes, and each are equal to each other. That shows me that 1/8 is equal to 3 24ths. And again, I'll shade in 1/8 of this 24 box array. There are other ways that you can divide this array into eighths. As long as you have 3 boxes in each section, you will have 8 equal parts. Today we used a 4 by 6 array to show halves, fourths, and eighths. Remember, when showing a part of a fraction, you must be sure that you have equal parts. So for this first one, I have 2 equal parts. Each part has 12 boxes in it. For fourths, I have 4 equal parts. Each section has 6 boxes in it. And for eighths, I have 8 equal parts, each section having 3 boxes in it. We did this by counting the boxes in each section and making sure that they are equal.